the sun-kissed shores of Greece beckon. Are you ready to uncover the charm of the Greek islands? Let's explore the enchanting Greek islands, each with its unique charm and beauty. From breathtaking sunsets to secluded shores, from timeless ruins to quaint villages, Greece presents a perfect fusion of history, culture, and stunning scenery. Prepare to be enchanted by the unique allure of the Greek islands. Santorini, a vision of whitewashed houses clinging to volcanic cliffs, is a sight that will take your breath away. This island is famous for its sunsets, which paint the Aegean Sea in hues of gold and crimson. Imagine yourself sipping wine on a terrace, watching the sun dip below the horizon, with the caldera shimmering in the fading light. It's a scene straight out of a dream. Santorini is also home to charming villages like Oia and Fira, where you can wander through narrow alleyways, browse local boutiques, and savor delicious Greek cuisine. If you're looking for a vibrant nightlife, Mykonos is the place to be. This cosmopolitan island is known for its chic bars, trendy nightclubs, and beautiful beaches. During the day, soak up the sun on the golden sands of Paradise Beach, or Super Paradise Beach. As the sun sets, Mykonos transforms into a party paradise, with music pumping until dawn. But Mykonos is more than just parties. Explore the charming alleys of Mykonos town, with its whitewashed houses and colorful doors. Don't miss the iconic windmills, a symbol of the island's past. Crete, the largest of the Greek islands, is a world unto itself. With its diverse landscapes, rich history, and vibrant culture, Crete offers something for everyone. Explore the Samaria Gorge, a stunning natural wonder, or visit the Palace of Naxos, the ruins of a Minoan civilization dating back thousands of years. Crete's beaches are equally impressive, from the pink sands of Elafonisi to the turquoise waters of Balos Lagoon. And don't forget to savor the island's delicious cuisine, with its fresh seafood, local cheeses, and aromatic herbs. Rhodes, a historical crossroads of civilizations, offers a captivating blend of ancient ruins and medieval charm. Step back in time as you wander through the cobblestone streets of Rhodes Old Town, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Explore the Palace of the Grand Master, a medieval fortress that stands as a testament to the island's rich past. Rhodes is also blessed with beautiful beaches, perfect for relaxing and soaking up the Mediterranean sun. From the lively Faliraki to the secluded St. Paul's Bay, Rhodes has a beach for every taste. Corfu, with its lush greenery and Venetian architecture, exudes a charm that's hard to resist. Explore the charming streets of Corfu town, with its pastel-colored buildings and elegant squares. Visit the Old Fortress, a Venetian stronghold that offers panoramic views of the island and the sea. Corfu's beaches are equally enchanting, from the sheltered coves of Paleokastritsa to the long sandy stretches of Glyfada. And for a taste of local culture, visit the villages of Pelekas and Cyclades, known for their traditional crafts and warm hospitality. And Naxos, the largest of the Cyclades islands, is a haven of natural beauty and traditional charm. Explore the island's mountainous interior, with its charming villages and ancient ruins. Visit the Temple of Demeter, a well-preserved ancient Greek temple, or hike to the summit of Mount Zos, the highest peak in the Cyclades. Naxos is also known for its beautiful beaches, from the long sandy stretches of Agios Prokopios to the sheltered coves of Plaka. And don't miss the opportunity to savor the island's delicious cuisine, with its fresh seafood, local cheeses, and aromatic herbs. Paros, a popular destination for windsurfers and kitesurfers, offers a blend of lively beaches and traditional charm. Explore the island's charming villages, with their whitewashed houses and colorful doors. Visit the Church of Panagia Ekatontopiliani, a Byzantine church with a rich history. Paros is also home to some of the best windsurfing spots in the Aegean, with strong winds and crystal-clear waters. And for a taste of local culture, visit the village of Naoussa, known for its charming harbor and traditional tavernas. Milos, with its moon-like landscapes and unique beaches, is a geological wonder. Explore the island's volcanic formations with their colorful cliffs and hidden caves. Visit the catacombs of Milos, an early Christian burial site, or take a boat trip to the nearby island of Kimolos. Milos is also home to some of the most unique beaches in Greece. from the white cliffs of Sarakiniko to the colorful pebbles of Firaplaka. And don't miss the opportunity to savor the island's delicious cuisine with its fresh seafood, local cheeses, and aromatic herbs. Zakynthos, home to the famous Navajo Beach, also known as Shipwreck Beach, is a sight to behold. This secluded cove, with its turquoise waters and towering cliffs, is one of the most photographed beaches in the world. Explore the island's lush interior with its olive groves and vineyards. Visit the Blue Caves, a series of sea caves with shimmering blue waters. Zakynthos is also known for its loggerhead sea turtles, which nest on the island's beaches. And don't miss the opportunity to savor the island's delicious cuisine with its fresh seafood, local cheeses, and aromatic herbs. Kefalonia, the largest of the Ionian Islands, is known for its dramatic landscapes and crystal-clear waters. Explore the island's mountainous interior with its charming villages and ancient ruins. Visit the Melisani Cave, a lake cave with shimmering blue waters, or hike to the summit of Mount Anos, the highest peak in the Ionian Islands. Kefalonia is also home to some of the most beautiful beaches in Greece, from the long, sandy stretches of Myrtos Beach to the secluded coves of Antisamos. And don't miss the opportunity to savor the island's delicious cuisine with its fresh seafood, local cheeses, and aromatic herbs. From the iconic sunsets of Santorini to the vibrant nightlife of Mykonos, from the ancient ruins of Crete to the medieval charm of Rhodes, the Greek islands offer a world of unforgettable experiences. Whichever island you choose, Greece promises an unforgettable adventure. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more travel tips.